Namaste. My name is Jordanka Tosheva and I'm from Bulgaria. I work for the Ministry of Finance at National Fund Directorate, which directorate performs the functions of certifying authority and authority responsible for receiving money from the EU funds. Due to my job, sometimes I go on the spot checks, and when I go on the spot checks from European Commission, there is something we should check, and this is if a project employs people, we should check if a certain amount of men is equal to certain amount of women employed. So, which means we should assure that there is gender equality when giving European money to the projects. I can say that, in my point of view, that about gender equality, women are equal to men. Because, for example, in a certain family, it is not said that women should cook. Men should cook as well. It is not said that women should clean. Men could clean as well. It's not like somebody should do it. It is how it happens. If the woman has more time, she's doing it. If the man has more time, he's doing it. So I could really say that there is no such kind of differentiation between women or men. Even when you have a child, it's not like to prefer to have a boy or a girl. You prefer to have a healthy child. That's a very important thing, even the most important.
Okay, that if somebody has a small child at home and the child has some problem at night, so who looks after, the mama or the papa?
It depends. If the mother, because after you give birth, the mother stays at home, it would be the mother, because the father next day would go to work. But sometimes the father also wakes up. It's not only that the woman is not obliged to do these kind of things. If she does, if she cares, she does it. If not, men can do it as well.
Sure, that's an ideal situation, because the child belongs to both of them. But generally, if the woman is also working, then it becomes a bit of dual responsibility.
Exactly.
So women from the centuries and millenniums have taken up this task of rearing children more than the husbands, or even the grandma would be helping, or the mama will be helping more to the daughter's children than the male people. That was there earlier. So now it's good to know that in Bulgaria you have achieved nearly equal status for women and men. What about society? People would like to have, supposing you are 3 sisters.
Okay.
Did your mother or father or your grandfather, grandmother, anybody thought you should have a boy also in the family?
No. There wasn't that kind of issue, or neither I felt that they wanted, because I'm the oldest child, the eldest, I did not feel that they wanted to have a boy instead of girl. So they were very happy to have me.
Okay, you and your sisters, did you ever thought that you should have had a brother also?
No.
Not really?
No.
Good. And what message you would like to give to the men across the world who are still practicing unequal practices and subjugation practices for the women?
I could say that it depends on the culture, but maybe we should more love each other. If you love your woman more, or you love your man more, if he wants you to do these kind of things, maybe you could do them, and he would see that he should help as well. Women are not obliged to do something against their will. If they want to do it, yeah, they can do it, but not against their will. So please, people, love yourself more.
How about wealth? The wealth management in Bulgaria, it is owned by, generally the business houses are owned by men or women or both?
I'm not quite sure, but I can say that in my ministry there are also a lot of females that are directors, and males as well. So I cannot say that there are more males than females.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you too.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.